Hello, Keller Williams. Do you like working with sellers? Me too. I love working with sellers. As a matter of fact, I love working with sellers so much that I've worked with over 350 for sale by owner and expired listings since I became a real estate agent 19 years ago. Here's some examples if you'd like to see. I'll be sharing at the Win with Sellers class how we were able to take these listings. This was on the phone. This was a $4.6 million deal here in Miami. This is one that we closed 2 weeks ago in Coral Gables for $1.2 million. It was an expired Friday afternoon call. They were going to go with another agent. They went with us at the last second. Here is an expired listing that we sold for $1.2 million in Miami at the 900 Biscayne. Here's one that we had on Key Biscayne for $1.8 million, expired listing. And here's one that was with a realtor owner. He listed the property with us. We're the fourth realtor. We called him and we got the listing. So at the Win with Sellers class, I'm going to be teaching you exactly what we do to get these listings and what the process is. I really hope you can join us. Visit us at showcasemiami.com, the Jason Smith Showcase team. Look forward to seeing you at your market center. Thank you.